Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss how to swap two variables in Python. In this technique, for swapping two variables, we will try to achieve by using two different approaches. First approach we will try to see by taking up the temporary variable as well as by doing the partitioning. Okay, so right now we are in PyCharm IDE. Let's try to create some sample name swap variables. Now we will try to take two variables, variable value, let's say 20. Let's try to take number 2 equal to 50. Okay, now we will try to print these two value of number 1 before swap, comma number 1. Now we'll copy this, paste it here, change 1 to 2, here 2. Now if we run it, so number 1 value is 20, number 2 value is 50. So this is original data for those two variables. Now we'll try to see the first approach by applying the temp variable. Let's say in a temp I am assigning number 1. Now I am assigning number 1 equal to number 2. Now number 2 I am assigning temp. Okay, so what it will happen now here, in the number 1 will be placed in a temp, the value is 20, and here number 2 value will goes to number 1, the value is 50, and number 2 value will comes to again 20. So because temp stores 20, right, so it is assigned that value into number 2. Okay, this is how it will swap. Now we will try to print. Let's try to copy paste these two sentences after swap. So number 1, number 2. Now we will try to print and see the result. Okay, if we try to see it here, number 1 value is swapped to 50 and number 2 value is swapped to 20. Okay, so as discussed we have seen here, right, number 1 value stored under temp as 20 and number 2 value stored into 50 and temp value 20, right, it will be stored under number 2. So this is how it will swap and it will get assigned to the variables. So this is one technique which we can able to achieve it. Now let's, okay, we will try to comment this and then we will try to see the second approach. Let's say two variables, value x equal to 10, y equal to 30. Now without using third variable we are going to swap it. Swapping two variables without using third variable. Okay, means I am not going to use any third variable. as discussed, I am going to do the partition. Let's say x comma y equal to y comma x. Okay, now let's try to print. Let's say value of x equal to x. Now let's print y as well. Value of y. Okay, now we will try to run this. So if you try to see x value, it should be 10, right? But it is swapped to 30, and y value is original is 30, but it is swapped into x value as 10. Okay, it is swapped. So by using these two techniques, one is by assigning a temp variable, we can able to swap and we can achieve the same results, and by using the partitioning. Okay, so by using this method also we can able to achieve the expected result. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it, and share it, and do the comment.